Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss two more TSA coding problems which are related to TCS NQT coding exam. And if you not see my previous video related to TCS NQT coding exam, so I provided the link of playlist in the description of that video. So make sure see all the video related to TCS NQT coding exam before appear in your exam. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So today our first problem is like that. Write a function date reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters. So you must do this by modifying the input array in place with big of an extra memory. Okay, so basically this problem is similar to how to reverse an array. Okay, either it is integer or either it is um, string. Okay, but here condition is given that we need to reverse the array in big of an extra memory. Okay, it means that we do not require any type of extra array or any memory. We do operation in place. Okay, so for solving this problem we go over digital board and explain how to solve this problem. Okay, so our string is like that. For example, this is given that I think little big. It is given that h header comma e l l and o. Okay, this is our actual array. Okay, and we need to return what? We need to return L like that in reverse order. Okay, okay, so this is the reverse order. Now problem is that how to solve this problem. So okay, this is very basic problem. I already explained the logic how to reverse an array in previous video. If you not see that video, I provide the link of that video in the description of that this video. So go that video and see. So for reversing this array we simply do operation like that. If we take a variable, okay, and for example take a variable temp, okay, t variable, and just store this element. Okay, so we store this element in here, and now this element is put here, this element is put here, now this element is here, and value which is stored in temp put here. Okay, so in first step h and o is traverse like that. Now we increase the value of I and now I is pointing out here. Okay, and we also decrease the value of j, so now g is pointing out here. Okay, simply again swap this element, then we get l and I like that, and here we do not need to swap element. So this is the basically approach. I hope you understand this problem. Now let's code this problem, and after that we discussing about our today second problem, which is very interesting problem for you. Okay, so I am writing code in Java, but if you any problem with Java, then you simply comment. I provided code in that language, in which language you want to code. 16, this is the file name. After that public static void main, predicate scanner c equal to new scanner and system dot in. Okay, this is required for taking input in Java, so we import this, imports java dot util dot static. Okay, now we need to enter the size of array, so we give message enter the size of the array. Okay, and int n equal to sc dot next int. Now we create an string array because our array is type string arr equal to new string and size is n. Okay, after that we simply traverse a loop int I equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus. After that we need to input value in I array, so we give that sc dot next. Okay, so this is now our array is inputted. After that we write a function for traversing a array, so we simply do we give simply pass a message not return type reverse. This is the file, this is the function name reverse and pass array. Okay, simply after the write function for this public static and return type is void, function name is reverse and taking parameter as a string array. Okay, now what we do, we take two variable int I equal to 0 and j equal to arr dot length. Okay, simply after that we traverse a while loop and give condition while I is less than j. Okay, and take a variable string temp equal to array of I. Okay, and in array of I store array of j. Okay, and in array of j we simply put temp. Okay, here we put arr. Okay, so this is the basic approach. After that we need to increase the value of I and decrease the value of j. Okay, I think this is fine. After that we print for int I equal to 0, I is less than arr dot length and I plus plus. To that we simply print as out and arr of I and plus give a space simply. Okay, here we'll take a variable k because I is already taken. Okay, now run our code. First we compile javac and the file name is 16.java. so our program is compiled. Now run our codes java 16.java. so our program is run. After that enter the size of array. So in this condition our array size is 5, so we enter with 5. Okay, now we enter h. After that we enter e. After enter l, sorry, फिर again l and फिर o. Okay, mean Java index 5 out of bound. Okay, in line number 15 error is found. Okay, where is line number 15? arr of I equal to arr of j dot length minus 1. Okay, we need to length minus 1. Okay, now run again. Five, enter h, then e, then l, then o, and our output is OLLEH. Okay, so our program is performing well. I hope you understand this problem. Now we discuss about the second problem. Okay, so today second problem is like that: write an efficient algorithm that searches for a value target. Okay, in an m into n integer matrix. This matrix has the following properties. Okay, So basically you have a matrix and you have a target, and you need to check if target is present in this matrix or not. Okay, and the properties of matrix are like that: integers in each row are sorted in ascending order from left to right. Okay, talking about ascending from left to right. Okay, and integer in each column are sorted in ascending from top to bottom. Okay, so the properties of matrix is that matrix is sorted in row wise and column wise also. Okay, and we need to check if target is present in array, then we return true, and if target is not present in array, then we return false simply. So for example, this is our matrix 1 4 7 11 15, this is the first row, and 2 5 8 12 19, this is the second row, and 3 6 9 16 22 is third row, like that, fourth row, fifth row, and our target is 5, and we see that 5 is present in second row, then we return true. In this condition we check for 20, and we see that 20 is not present in whole matrix, then we return false. Now go over digital board, and I explain you problem in very easy manner, and after that write the code for this problem. Okay, so we go over digital board. For example, this is the matrix. I already taken matrix where somewhere. Okay, so this is the matrix. Matrix is like in that form. Okay, and our target value is like, our target value is 5. Okay, and we need to write an efficient algorithm which searches element in this element. For example, if we considered this matrix in first row, second row, for example, we consider this part. Okay, this is a single 1D array. Okay, this is a 1D array. Okay, so in this 1D array we can apply binary search. Okay, because in using binary search we can easily search an element in sorted array. Okay, if you do not know about the binary search or binary array, so I already make video on searching an element using binary search in this playlist, TCS NQT coding exam. If you not see that video, I also provide the link of that video in the description. So for going in this problem, please see that video before. Okay, so in this row we apply binary search, and if a element is not got, if element is not find, then we go in second row. Okay, in this row we check using binary search, and if element is in this row is not found, then we go for this row, and after that we go for that row, and after go for that row if element is not found. If element is not found in whole process, then we return false, otherwise we return true. Okay, for example, here this is the first row. Okay, here we assign, this is the left and this is the right, for example. Okay, and we need to find element in this row. So left equal to 0, and right equal to what? Right equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we find the mid. So mid equal to left plus right upon 2, then we add left plus right, then we get 5 upon 2, then we get 2. So now our mid is pointing out here. Okay, so now mid is pointing out here. Now we check if our target is equal to ARR of mid, and if our target is less than ARR of mid, and if our target is greater than mid. If this is equal to target, then we return true. Okay, and if ARR of mid is less than target, then we update the value left from mid plus 1, then mid our left is 3. Okay, but in this condition we see that our target is less than mid. In this condition we need to modify right, and right value of right is mid minus 1, so our mid is pointing out here, but the value of right is now 1. Okay, and the left is pointing out 0. Now we add 0 and 1, then we get 1, and our mid equal to 1 upon 2, it means that 0. So now our mid is pointing out here. Okay, now we check again, element is not found, then we go for second row. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Now go our VS Code and write code for this language. So now okay, we are going to code this problem. Simply create class 16, after that public static void main, after that we need to scanner class, scanner is equal to new scanner. Okay, and the system dot in, and after that we simply give two messages as out, enter the number of rows and columns. Okay, simply take two variable, int rows equal to sc dot next int and int cols equal to sc dot next int simply this is the function. After that we create a matrix, int matrix, okay, equal to new int and rows and cols. Okay, this is the simple. Now we take two input, so we take 4, int I equal to 0, I is less than rows and I plus plus. Okay, after that again loop 4, int j equal to 0, j is less than cols, okay, and j plus plus, and after that matrix I and matrix j equal to sc dot next int. Okay, simply now write to function. First we take a variable boolean, and answer equal to search and fast matrix comma rows comma cols comma target, simply. And now give condition, if answer equal to true, then we message shout element is present. Okay, otherwise we give message element is not present. Okay, simply here we need to variable target is out, enter the target. Okay, int target equal to c dot next int. Now we write the function for search element, so we created public static and boolean and search, and need to matrix into matrix. Okay, then int rows and int cols and int target. Okay, now we take a loop because we wanted to search in every row, so we apply a for loop, int I equal to 0 and I is less than rows and I plus plus. After that we take a two variable, int left equal to 0 as I told you in our digital code, and right equal to matrix dot I dot length. Okay, in which matrix we present -1. After we apply a while loop for checking element, left is less than equal to right, simply. After that we find mid element, int mid equal to left plus right minus left and upon my 2. Okay, this is the approach for finding element. Now we check if target equal to matrix I and mid. Okay, in this condition we return true. Okay, otherwise we check else if matrix I comma mid is less than target in this condition, less than target. In this condition we need to increase the value of left, so we include left equal to mid plus 1. Okay, and otherwise in else condition right equal to mid minus 1. Okay, and if these condition not filled, we simply return false. Okay, now run our code. Our program is compiled successfully. Now our program is run. Enter the number of rows 5, column 5. Enter the element is 1, 4, 7, 11 and 15. For second row 2, 5, 8, 12 or 19. For third row 3, 6, 9, 16 and 22. For third row 10, 13, 14, 17 or 24. For fifth row 18, 21, 23, 26 and 30. The target 5 element is present. Okay, so our program is performing well. I hope you understand this problem very well, and if you are see this video first time, so please subscribe the channel because it takes a lot of effort. And if you not see the previous video, go to the playlist and see all the video. All the best for your exam.